Hello and good morning and good day, depending on where you're watching me from. So, welcome to this particular episode or this live session with me. So, today we are going to be having this precious time where we're just going to be looking at the charts and knowing what the chart is telling us today. We are going to be looking at the charts to see what the charts has to tell us. Just a moment. Let me just get something now. Okay, so let's just get straight into it right now. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. So I don't know most of you now whether you were able to catch that trade we had. This was the conjugate of the last trade we had on our live stream. If you're able to catch it, drop on the comment section that you caught this, because this went as we predicted. It's just went the same way we said it, and it gave us a full TP. So I don't know if you're able to catch this. You can comment that you caught this. But for now, we like to clean up this everything. Like to clean up everything. So we know how we do it. We go to the daily time frame. Let's see what the daily time frame has to tell us. Let's see what the daily time frame has to tell us. You see, the daily time frame is very straightforward. It's telling us that we're just bullish. We are bullish. So the daily time frame is telling us we are bullish. So all we need to do now, go to the 4 hours time frame. Let's see what the 4 hours time frame has to tell us. Let's check if we have a break of structure here. Is there any break of structure here? Yeah. Yeah, there's a break of structure there, but the other block is kind of shaky. Let's check the 2 hours time frame. Yeah, let me expand this thing so that you can see it very well. Yeah, so this a break of structure here. So this is a break of structure. This is a break of structure. Let's check the 2 hours time frame. Let's check the 2 hours time frame. Okay, 1 hour time frame. So, okay. 1 hour time frame. Okay. So 1 hour time frame. This market is currently reacting to this other block. It's currently reacting to this other block. And that's the reason you see it has been giving this kind of movement around here. So it's reacting to this other block now. So let's go to the 15 minutes and see what we have in 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Are we having a difference? Let me make this one now to be inside first. so that we can see clearly what we need to do. Let's look at this break of structure here, this other block here that has been mitigated, and this was the break of structure. Although it didn't break, there was no break of structure here, so it was an equal high. So what are we going to be looking at? To me, I'll be extending this. Let me look at the other block, the next other block that we have here. We're looking at this other block. The market has been kind of playing out this way. So we are expecting the market to react to this the other block that we have that is valid now. Let me expand this a little bit so that you can see better. So this is the other block that we have that I can stay and wait for this trade now. This is the other block, and this is the break of structure of this other block. Here is the break of structure, and we have the liquidity zone. All these are liquidity that we expect the market to clear and then get to our other block. So I'll be staying here to wait for this trade. Staying here to wait for this trade. I'll be staying here to wait for this trade. Can even target this high, but let's target this high. Let's target this high. And let me see the let's see whether the low was covered. This low, whether it was covered. Okay, so the low was well covered, so we have nothing to worry about getting to the low. We have nothing to worry about on the low. So the low has been covered. So we'll be looking at for this. Be looking at for this trade here. Let's see what the market. Let's see what the market will give to us today. last week or day before yesterday, we had a clean market movement. The market gave us exactly what we did, and it was full TP. So let's see what it will give us here also. So we are still expecting this market to drop down now. Maybe drop down from here now to here. Then it can give us something of this nature as it always do. Then do like this. Then we see this way. So that's what we're expecting of this market now. So this is a clear movement we're expecting from this market. The clear movement we are expecting from this market. So what do you think? 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 Okay, so let's go to the next one. Great Britain pounds, USD. Great Britain pounds, USD, and I will be going to the this time from this. Let's clean everything. So we go to the daily time frame. To the daily time frame. Daily time frame. So the daily time frame. Let's see what we have here. This is a break of structure. And when you look at it very well, you see the markets did something of this nature. It came here, then come here, and it's coming here now. So it's a clear movement telling you that we are bearish. We are bearish here. This break to the downside. So we are what? Bearish. So we are bearish. The market is forming. You can see that we are bearish in this market. We are bearish. So go to the 4 hour time frame to see what we can be able to achieve. Okay, 4 hours, yes. Okay, 4 hours. We have this other block. You see this break of structure. See this break of structure. So we go to the 2 hours. Yeah, same thing. We are going to the 1 hour. 1 hour. Yes, also this another other block here. But let me still use this one as the extreme one. But maybe in 15 minutes there should be another block, valid other block. Then let's go to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes. 15 minutes. We have this other block. So we have this other block in the 15 minutes. And every of our conferences are intact. So we'll be looking out for a clear buy here in this market. We'll be looking out for a clear buy in this market. Looking for a clear buy in this market. So what I will be doing here, I'll just enter for a sell. Enter for a sell here. Then my stop loss will be here. I know it covered. And most times if I see that it's going to, I can put my sell here. Ensure that my everything is covered so that I will have a lower stop loss. I can just take it up a little bit. Then I can extend it to this. Let's see. Well, it seems there will be a quick buy from here. So we'll just be looking whether we are going to join a quick buy. So that is it for this. You see how we are able to catch this. So just be at alert while we see what we can be able to do with this. Be at alert. That is for Great Britain pounds USD. Great Britain pounds USD. Great Britain pounds USD. Mm. So let me go to Great Britain pounds JPY. Great Britain pound JPY. Great Britain pound JPY. See what we are this day. This thing work for the market. This one work for every market. Okay. Mhm. Okay, so let's do the what time frame are we doing now? We have not done one daily. We have not done daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. Daily time frame we are bullish. This is the last break of structure. And we have this other block. Then let's go to the 4 hours. Four hours. In 4 hours, we have this. We have this here. Okay. So in 4 hours, this is what we have in 4 hours. Since the market is coming to the other block already, or it's reacting to this other block now. This is also a valid other block. The market is reacting. So let's go to the 50. No, let's go to the 2 hours. 2 hours. This other block. Let's go to the 15 minutes. Yeah, 1 hour. 1 hour. A 1 hour. 1 hour. The market is still reacting to this. Or should this be the valid other block we are using? Still reacting. So let's go to the 15 minutes. this market is already moving. It's already moving. This Let's see how we can be able to benefit of this market. So we can join this trade now. I think that the market is still reacting to this side. Still reacting here. It's- So this is how we can be able to get involved in this trade.
Why guys always discriminate girls that are short? Are we not human beings? I don't just get. I don't get this. So we are human beings. So nobody should do that or not.
So let's see what we have here. So expecting this market to go like this. Okay. So we have done group between pounds USD. Which other one? BTC USD. BTC USD. BTC USD. Okay. Okay, so what we are going to be doing here, we'll be going to the daily time frame. Daily time frame. Let's clean up the chart. Daily time frame. So in the daily time frame, you can see we are very bullish. This and that. So in the daily time frame, we are bullish. And you see this is the other block that lead to the bullish. That was bullish. So we go to the 4 hours. 4 hours, we get the other block here. We get the other block here. Then we go to the 1 hour. 1 hour. This other block is still valid. We have this other block here. We have this other block here. So this one now can be pending now. Let's see what we have in this particular one. See this other block now. Market is already reacting here. Let's see what we have there. So we go to the 15 minutes. 15 minutes. So we probably wait for this. Is there any break of structure here? Let's see. There is a break of structure here. Since this market is already moving, so there's a break of structure here. So this is the other block that leads to this break of structure. So all we need to do, we wait for the market here. Wait for the market here. Take our trade here to just be. Then we target this. See it from here. See it from here. So this is what we'll be expecting. This is what we'll be expecting in this market. This is what we'll be expecting here. So we have done Great Britain pounds, USD. So let's do a Euro USD. I think that should be the last one we'll do. Euro USD. So Euro USD, we go to the daily time frame. Go to the daily time frame. Let me clean up this. Daily time frame. Daily time frame. This is a clear change of character because this low has been broken. This is a change of character, and I'm still waiting for this. So let me go to the 4 hours. Let's see. This was the place the first change of character happened. I can still see this place also. This is still clear. So we have the break of structure to the downside also. Then we go to the 1 hour. Let me see what we have in 1 hour. Let me see what we have in 1 hour. Let me remove this. In 1 hour, we have this other block here. Because this is a break of structure here. This is a break of structure here. So we go to there. We go to which time frame again are we looking at? We go to the 15 minutes time frame. So I prefer to leave this. Let me take it this way. Let me prefer to use this as the area of entry. So 15 minutes will be entering here. We're going for a short. I'll be targeting this. This low should be, this high should be covered. So I'll be entering like this. I'll be targeting this low. targeting this low also. So this what I'll be looking at for in this. So that's what I will be expecting in this market. So I think that is the end of this. At least we have done much of we have done much. So let's look at how this plays out for us today, and then we'll be able to utilize every opportunity that we have to take these trades. Ensure you take the trades. Don't just be able to look at it and not take the trades. Look at them and learn also with them. So guys, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye.